Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to create a 3D text with texture, as you can see on your screen. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this particular shape in the background and I'm going to hide it. Now let me delete this thing first. Now to begin with, take a text, type anything, but take a thicker font or a bolder font like this. The text has to be bold so that you will able to see the effect properly. Now go to object and select expand, press OK. Again type some other text. So I'm going to type solutions. You can take whatever you want and you can choose any color. Whatever color you like, you can choose any color. Now by using the alt and the press and hold the alt button and at the same time press the right arrow key, so it will increase the character spacing. And if you're using Mac, then press and hold the option key and use the right arrow key. So this is how it will look, and the distance it is totally up to you how much distance do you want to keep between the letters. Now again go to object and expand this as well. Now select both the objects, go to effect 3D, extrude and bevel. Now these are the X, Y and Z axis values. Keep the first value at 26 degree, second at minus 23 degree, third 20 degree, and the perspective value at 21 degree. All the options default. Just if you are seeing fewer options, then you simply have to click on the more options, and the blend steps, keep these steps to 0 like this, press OK. Now again go to object, now select expand appearance. So this is how it will look. Now this is a very important step in the design. Select all the elements and right click, ungroup. Now you have to ungroup it 2 times. So that was 1 and this is second, so that all the elements will be separated like this. Now using the shift key, select all the upper portions of the text like this one as well. Select it properly, slowly like this. So this is how it will look. I will undo this. Now make it a group by pressing Ctrl G or Command G. Now this is a group, as you can see. This is how it looks, already looking pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is go to layers, and this is the group, lock the group so that we can select the rest of the elements like this. These are the rest of the objects or elements. Now again convert this group, convert this particular stuff into group, Ctrl G. So this is now a group. So we have 2 groups. This is one and other one is the top portion. Now go to effect, and remember we have selected this bottom part. Go to effect and go to stylize, and we are going to apply the drop shadow option. Now keep the values, keep the opacity to 100. Now we want this to be on the left side like this. Maybe blur a little bit. This looks good. We are just simply trying to give a little bit of depth to our text or the bottom part. So this is how it will look. Now I'm going to turn on the background like this. So this is how it will look. Already we have gotten a little bit of depth in this particular area. So this is how it will look. Now the texture part, I have already downloaded this particular image from Google. So drag it in the Adobe Illustrator, and by simply I'm going to reduce the size. It is not necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. Now click on embed. This is very important. Click on embed first and open the swatches panel and drag this into the swatches panel. You can delete this now. Now if you go to the double click on the newly created pattern and you can name it as per your liking. So let's say texture. I will name it as texture. Close this and click on this arrow. Now we have our new texture available as our color. Now what we are going to select this upper group. Now we have to unlock this first. Now select this group like this and go to the appearance panel. Now go to the, this is important, go to the appearance panel and click over here, add new field, and from this field menu select the texture like this, because if we use the appearance panel then we can play with the opacity option. That is why we have to use the appearance panel while applying the texture. Now as per your requirement you can increase or decrease the opacity. You can also change the blending mode if you want like this, but I'm going to keep it to normal and opacity maybe a little bit lower. So this is how it will look. So this is how you create a 3D text having texture in it. Do give it a go and let me know how it panned out for you, and if you like this video please give me a thumbs up. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.